did you know that the human body produces enough heat in only 30 minutes to boil a half-gallon of water? Quite a sizzler, isn't it? Well, that's just the tip of the iceberg. The human body is an incredibly complex and intricate system, one that still baffles doctors and researchers despite thousands of years of medical knowledge. As we journey through these 10 weird and surprising body facts, you'll be left in awe at the marvel that is the human body. So if you're ready to be amazed, stick around as we count down 10 more body facts that will blow your mind. Starting at number 10, our bodies have a vast network that could circle the Earth more than twice. A fascinating fact, isn't it? This network is none other than our circulatory system. Now you might be wondering, how does this network compare to a highway? Well, just like a highway connects cities and towns, our circulatory system connects all parts of our body, from the top of your head to the tip of your toes. This intricate system is made up of blood vessels. There are 3 main types: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood from the heart to the rest of the body, veins return the used blood back to the heart, and capillaries connect the two, allowing for the exchange of oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nutrients. Now, here's where the numbers get really mind-boggling. If you were to lay out all of the blood vessels in one adult end-to-end, they would stretch nearly 100,000 miles. That's enough to circle the Earth more than 4 times. A truly astonishing testament to the marvel that is the human body. Now imagine this. Every second, your heart pumps blood through this vast network, ensuring that every cell gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs to function. It's like a never-ending road trip, happening right inside you. Yes, your body is a living, breathing roadmap. Our 9th fact takes us into the control center of the body, the brain. This 3-pound organ, with its billions of neurons and trillions of synapses, is a marvel of natural engineering. Its computational power far surpasses even the most advanced supercomputers we have today. To put it into perspective, let's consider this. The human brain can process information at an estimated 1 exaflop. That's a billion calculations per second. In contrast, the world's fastest supercomputer, as of now, can only muster a fraction of that speed. But the brain's power doesn't stop at computations. It's also a master of multitasking, regulating everything from heart rate to body temperature, all while processing sensory information and forming memories. And if you thought your brain takes a break while you sleep, think again. In fact, it's during sleep that some of the brain's most important work gets done. This is when it consolidates memories, processes emotions, and clears out toxins. Ever wondered why we dream? Well, it's believed that dreams are a byproduct of these nighttime activities. So, while your body is resting, your brain is busy sorting through the day's experiences, making sense of emotions, and preparing you for the challenges of tomorrow. So while you're snoozing, your brain's working overtime. For fact number 8, we're talking about your body's unseen army. This isn't your regular army with tanks and soldiers. Oh no, this army is microscopic. But don't let its size fool you. It's one of the most complex and rapid response forces on the planet, your immune system. Imagine a bustling city teeming with life. Now imagine that each citizen of this city is a cell in your body. Suddenly, an unknown entity invades, causing havoc. This is where your immune system, your body's unseen army, springs into action. It's made up of various types of cells, each with its own unique role. Some identify the invaders, others coordinate the attack, and then there are the brawlers, the white blood cells, who tackle these threats head-on. Now, the speed at which this all happens is truly mind-boggling. Within minutes of an invasion, your immune system is already on the move, preparing to launch its counterattack. And it doesn't just work on autopilot. It learns from every encounter, building a memory of past invasions to respond even faster the next time around. So the next time you're feeling under the weather, remember there's an unseen army inside you, waging war against the invaders, tirelessly working to get you back on your feet. We all have our personal bodyguards working 24/7. Number 7 on our list involves a shield you probably didn't know you had. It's not made of iron or steel, but rather a slimy, gooey substance that coats the inside of your stomach. This is your stomach's mucus layer, a vital line of defense that protects your stomach from the harsh, acidic environment it needs to digest food. The stomach's gastric acid is so potent, it can break down most of the food we eat, and if left unprotected, it could even start digesting the stomach itself. But not to worry, the body has a remarkable solution. Your stomach produces a new layer of mucus every 2 weeks, This continual renewal ensures the stomach lining stays fresh and undamaged, ready to take on the next meal. The mucus layer is more than just a barrier though. It contains bicarbonate, a substance that neutralizes the stomach acid, preventing it from eating away at the stomach walls. This unique system of protection and renewal is a testament to the body's incredible capacity for self-preservation. So, the next time you're chowing down on your favorite meal, take a moment to appreciate the unseen, unsung hero of the digestive process. Your stomach isn't just a food processing plant, it's a fortress, constantly renewing its defenses to keep you healthy and well-fed. Next time you're eating, remember you're also feeding your stomach's defenses. Our sixth fact is all about the heart, the body's tireless engine. This muscular organ, about the size of your clenched fist, has a phenomenal task. It pumps blood, carrying vital oxygen and nutrients to every nook and cranny of your body. And it's not just a little squirt here and there. Every single day, your heart pumps around 2,000 gallons of blood. That's enough to fill a small oil tanker. Imagine that. An oil tanker's worth of life-giving fluid circulating through your body each day, all thanks to this little powerhouse in your chest. And it's not just the quantity that's impressive, it's the consistency. Every second, every minute, every hour of every day, your heart keeps up its rhythm. It doesn't take a break, not even when you're asleep. It's like a drummer in the band of your body, keeping a beat that never ends. So the next time you're feeling tired, remember your heart. It's been working tirelessly since before you were born, and it will keep on going day in and day out for as long as you live. It's easy to take our bodies for granted, to forget about the incredible processes that keep us alive. But with every beat of your heart, remember, it's your body's tireless engine working to keep you going no matter what. Your heart is stronger than you think. Halfway through our list, fact 5 is a breath of fresh air. We're talking about the lungs, those twin powerhouses that keep us alive and breathing. Now, when you think of lungs, you might picture two bag-like structures nestled within our chest. But what if I told you that their combined surface area is roughly the size of a tennis court? Yes, you heard that right. Let's break it down. The lungs aren't just bags, they're an intricate network of tubes and sacs called alveoli. These alveoli are the workhorses of the lungs, facilitating the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. The average adult has about 300 million alveoli, and if you were to flatten them all out, they'd cover an area of nearly 70 square meters. That's almost the size of a tennis court. It's this vast surface area that allows us to take in enough oxygen to fuel our bodies and eliminate the waste product, carbon dioxide. And all this happens with each breath we take, around 20,000 times a day. So next time you're watching a tennis match, take a moment to marvel at the fact that the court beneath the player's feet is roughly the same size as the surface area of your lungs. It's quite a phenomenal thought. Breathe easy knowing your lungs have got you covered. Number 4 on our list is about the body's amazing ability to regenerate. Just think about it. It's like having a personal repair crew working around the clock, patching up the wear and tear of daily life. Let's zoom in on the skin, our body's largest organ and our first line of defense. You might not realize it, but your skin is constantly in a state of renewal. Approximately every 28 to 30 days, your skin completely regenerates itself. That's right, the skin you're in today is not the same skin you were in a month ago. And this isn't just a superficial change. We're talking about a complete overhaul, from the deepest layer of the dermis to the outermost layer of the epidermis. Now, this doesn't mean you can go around getting sunburnt or scraped without a care. While our skin is a master of regeneration, it's not invincible. Proper skincare and protection are still crucial. But it's not just the skin that regenerates. Many parts of our body have this incredible ability, though at different rates. From the cells lining our stomach, which renew every few days, to our liver that can regenerate within a few months, our bodies are constantly in the process of self-repair and renewal. So next time you look in the mirror, remember, you're seeing a slightly different version of yourself than you did a month ago. Our bodies are continuously renewing, making us a work in progress. For our third fact, let's focus on something you do without even thinking about it: blinking. Blinking is one of those automatic body functions that we seldom pay attention to, but it plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of our eyes. Now you might wonder, how fast do we actually blink? Well, an average blink is incredibly fast, taking a mere 1/10 of a second. That's quicker than a snap of the fingers. And how often do we blink? This might surprise you. On average, a person blinks about 15 to 20 times per minute. That's up to 1,200 times per hour and a whopping 28,800 times in a day. But why do we blink so much? The act of blinking serves two main purposes. First, it helps to moisten the eye by spreading tears across its surface. This prevents our eyes from drying out and keeps them clean by washing away dust and debris. Second, blinking also gives our eyes a crucial micro break, helping to prevent eye strain and fatigue. However, blinking rates can vary greatly. Factors like emotion, concentration, and environmental irritants can significantly alter how often we blink. So next time you find yourself in a staring contest, remember, every blink counts. Keep an eye on your blinking. It's more important than you think. Fact number 2 is about the body's water content. Now you might assume you're mostly made of solid stuff, but you'd be wrong. In reality, your body is over half water. That's right, you're more like a walking, talking reservoir than a solid statue. Just how much water are we talking about? Well, it varies depending on age and gender, but on average, an adult human body is about 60% water. That's more than half your weight. Now this water isn't just sloshing around inside you, it's hard at work, playing a crucial role in almost every bodily function. From regulating your body's temperature to aiding digestion, from flushing out waste to lubricating your joints, water is the unsung hero of your body's daily operations. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Different parts of your body contain different amounts of water. For example, your brain and heart are composed of about 73% water. Your lungs, about 83%. Even your bones, which you might think of as dry, are about 31% water. So next time you reach for a glass of water, remember, you're not just quenching your thirst. You're replenishing your body's most abundant resource and keeping the machinery of life well-oiled and running smoothly. Stay hydrated, your body depends on it. And now, for our number 1 fact, we're back to the eyes. The human eye, a marvel of evolution, holds capabilities that are nothing short of extraordinary. It's not just a window to the soul, but a lens that can perceive the world in ways that even the most advanced cameras can't match. Consider this. Your eyes can distinguish around 10 million different hues. Yes, you heard that right, 10 million. This is because of the cone cells in our eyes that are sensitive to different wavelengths of light, enabling us to perceive such a vast spectrum of colors. Now, if we were to compare the eye to a camera, it would be a highly sophisticated one. Cameras capture images by focusing light onto a sensor, just as the eye focuses light onto the retina. But while a high-end camera boasts about its 12 or 24 megapixels, the human eye is equivalent to a staggering 576 megapixels. That's right, 576. But it's not just about the numbers. The eye also has the ability to adapt to different lighting conditions, focus on objects at varying distances, and detect motion with incredible precision. All this while constantly processing visual information and transmitting it to the brain. In essence, your eyes are not just biological organs. They're complex, highly efficient visual systems, outperforming even the best of technological inventions. Your eyes are the ultimate camera, capturing the world in high definition. So, there you have it, 10 surprising facts about your body. We've traveled the vast highways of our circulatory system, marveled at the power of our brain, capable of so much more than we think. We've saluted our body's unseen army, our immune system, always on guard. We've admired the stomach's shield, protecting us from ourselves, and felt the rhythm of our mighty heart. We've wandered the expansive terrain of our lungs and marveled at the body's ability to regenerate. We've blinked in time with the body's fastest muscle and quenched our curiosity with the body's water content. And finally, we've seen the world through the extraordinary capabilities of the human eye. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing facts. Until next time, stay curious.